Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Do you remember the Big Bang update that broke a lot of Galaxy Watch 4 features and had to be fixed with yet another update? Well, look, in that very same vein, Samsung's press release at the time also mentioned something really important. Of course, it was this typical Samsung so-so-la-la vague style kind of information, if you like. But hang on, as it turns out, we are seeing more promises being delivered and fulfilled of that press release for the Galaxy Watch 4 by Samsung. And look, it is just as painful for me to ask you, but if you could consider subscribing, that'd be really awesome. Look, the upside is you don't miss out on important news. The aforementioned press release states the following amongst other things. Since the first introduction in 2020, Samsung Health Monitor app is currently available in 43 markets globally, expanding to 11 more in March, including Canada, Vietnam, and South Africa. A quick look at the calendar reveals it is March already. So let's have a quick look what the Canadian Samsung website has to say. And look at this. It now has a dedicated section for the Samsung Health Monitor on their website. So by looking at the website, it seems that the full functionality, including ECG and blood pressure, will be available, if not already. It goes deep, my friends. It really goes into a lot of details on how to calibrate your Galaxy Watch and how to measure blood pressure, ECG, and so on. There is a lot of dedicated details on this website now. Hold on, hold your horses. Let's have a look at the small print. Number one, ensure that your Galaxy Watch supports Samsung Health Monitor. Okay, now the important part. Supported watches, Galaxy Watch 3. Active 2 and later released Galaxy Watch and Active models excluding Galaxy Fit. I think the wording could be a bit better, but it sure means that the Galaxy Watch 4 now supports ECG and blood pressure in Canada. But let's have a look at the small print of the small print. A Galaxy Watch and Samsung Galaxy smartphone are required to use Samsung Health Monitor app due to country restrictions in acquiring approval/registrations as a medical device. Samsung Health Monitor app only works on watches and smartphones purchased in the countries where service is currently available. Okay, so that is all good news. And I know that many of you guys have been waiting for this for a long time. And some of you have been very vocal in the comment section, rightly so. So please let me know if it is available to you in Canada or any other country that has been waiting for this feature to come along. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.